काही लोक केक बनवतात, पण काही जादू निर्माण करतात आणि मानसी देशपांडे त्यांच्यापैकीच एक आहे. ट्रिक्स अँड ट्रीट्स केक स्टुडिओमध्ये तिची अप्रतिम निर्मिती केवळ डेझर्ट्स किंवा मिष्ठान नाहीत, त्या खाण्यायोग्य कलेमध्ये गुंडाळलेल्या कथा, आठवणी आणि भावनाच आहेत. ह्या मुलाखतीदरम्यान मला जाणवलं की ती केक कलाकारापेक्षा खूप जास्त आहे. ती एक कथाकार आहे. प्रत्येक फ्रॉस्टिंग आणि प्रत्येक नाजूक तपशिलांसह आनंदाचे क्षण तयार करते. पडद्यामागे प्रचंड मेहनत आहे, अगणित तासांची चाचणी, अचूकता आणि संयम. पण त्याच्याहून महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे प्रत्येक निर्मितीमध्ये ती तिचं हृदय आणि आत्मा ओतते. पॅशन टू प्रोफेशनपर्यंतचा तिचा प्रवास धैर्य आणि प्रेमाचा आहे. स्पार्क ऑफ इंटरेस्ट म्हणून जे सुरू केलं ते आज एका व्यवसायात वाढलं आहे. प्रेरणा शोधत असलेल्या प्रत्येकासाठी मानसीचा प्रवास पुरावाच आहे की जेव्हा उत्कटतेने कठोर परिश्रम केले जातात तेव्हा त्याचे परिणाम चित्तथरारकपणे सुंदर असतात आणि हो, स्वादिष्टसुद्धा.
I'm making a tiny miniature snowman.
Wow.
Since
So,
Christmas is coming up.
क्रिसमस आता येतोच आहे काही दिवसात, त्यामुळे मानसी आपल्याला छान स्नोमॅन बनवून दाखवते, सो तुम्हाला बघता येईल की
It's one of the most common things we do during Christmas. So
किती येतात तुला दिवसाच्या ऑर्डर्स अशा?
it completely depends on the size of the order.
Okay.
So how many we can do in a day. But if they are not too complicated, the max we've done is like 16 in a day, customized cakes.
Wow.
Yeah.
16, 1 6,
Yeah,
16
1
cakes.
16. If they are a little more complicated or something, we would generally stop at say 5 or 6 in a day because तेवढा वेळ लागतो आणि मग the more time it takes, the more intricate it is.
So we are working fondant right now.
Yeah, we are working with fondant. So this is the body of the snowman.
Okay,
Just
wow.
gonna put a stick through it so that it's
cute.
stable. I'm going to cut off some of it.
Right.
Now I'm gonna work on the face.
Okay. आणि हे असे फॉन्डंट फिगर्स आर अ बिग हिट विथ किड्स ऑल्सो ना?
They are. So a lot of Christmas parties for kids, kiva,
Acha.
a lot of birthdays in this month also. People choose to actually do a Christmas theme instead of some other cartoon or.
स्नोमॅनचे डोळे झालेले आहेत आता.
आता little carrot for the nose.
वाव. सो काल माझ्या मुलीला मी सांगितलं की आज मी तुझा इंटरव्ह्यू घ्यायला येते, तुझे
nice.
व्हिडिओज बघितलेले आहेत.
हा.
सो ती मला म्हणली मला स्कूल बुडवून यायचंय तुझ्या बरोबर. डोळे आणि नाक लावले, आता पेंटिंग सुद्धा सुरू केल्या मानसीने. साठी किती वेगवेगळे एलिमेंट्स असतात एक केक बनवण्याच्या मागे. सो वाव.
Little eyebrows.
अच्छा.
And then again I will put this on the body.
ओके. हे काय अजून स्टेबल राहण्यासाठी?
Yeah. So because if I just stick it on the top, there is always a chance it can fall off.
Correct.
And I'm gonna make little buttons and a scarf
Wow.
for him. Generally, I get so carried away doing the details that I don't know where
आणि
to
व्हेरी
stop.
डिटेल ओरिएंटेड. मी तुझे केक्स बघितले, सो आम्हाला जरी कळलं नाही तरी तू तुझ्या साईडनी एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स खूप घेतेस ते सगळे डिटेल्स. आणि बटरफ्लाय केक वॉज अ सुपर हिट.
Oh, thank
विंग्स
you.
दोन्ही साईडनी ते बटरफ्लायचे फ्लॅप होत होते आणि
Yes.
मी तो पाहिला लाईव्ह केक. आय गॉन फॉर
The
दॅट
moving
फंक्शन.
wings,
सुपर
no?
ब्युटिफुल.
That was very that had a lot of
Like challenging,
elements and
हे होतं
very
तुझ्यासाठी.
challenging, yeah. आणि because it was an outdoor event, it was in April,
गरमीत
if
होता, I
I'm not
remember.
wrong.
Yes.
So that was even more challenging, but
आणि लांब होता थोडा सो तो केक इकडून तिथे
हो.
पहिला घेऊन जाण्यापासून
at least कसं आहे ना, when we carry it, like we know we'll keep it in a certain temperature in the car or throughout the
अच्छा.
transport.
हा हा हा
फक्त तिथे जेव्हा आउटडोर असतं तेव्हा वी डोंट हॅव अ कंट्रोल ओव्हर द टेम्परेचर ऑर द क्लायमेट.
आउटसाइड एलिमेंट्सचं काही हे
Yeah.
नाही करू शकत.
इंडोर इव्हेंट्स आर प्रिटी मच इझियर
Correct, correct.
कंपॅरेटिव्हली.
So हे texture
Texture
use.
for the
Okay,
scar.
scar. Details. आणि आता सांता क्लॉज, क्रिसमस ट्री, स्नोमॅन,
Oh, yeah.
रेनडिअर सगळं आता आय थिंक येस मॅम.
आम्ही इनफॅक्ट आता संडेलाच एक
हा.
अख्खा सेटअप केला वेअर
Okay.
इट वॉज लाईक अ सॅन्टा क्लॉज विलेज सेटअप.
अच्छा.
So it had this whole concept of the actual Santa Claus village circle, the train going
Oh,
from
wow.
Helsinki
Okay.
to the Santa Claus village, and
Nice.
then
Was that for a birthday party?
it was
Okay,
it was
okay.
the first birthday.
Wow.
So yeah, lot of details. lot
Yeah,
of
yeah,
stuff.
I'm sure. So you start working अशा ज्या केक्स असतात मोठी येते किती दिवस आधी तुम्ही काम चालू करता त्याचं?
So generally, if we I mean, if the orders are placed well in advance, we would like to start working at least say with a 4-5 days notice for these kind of elements.
ओके ओके.
Not the baking and the actual cake making, but at least for these. But
अच्छा.
usually कसं होतं ना, people tend to place the order pretty late. So then we get like a 2-3 day kind of lead
Window,
time.
yeah.
So that makes the work a little more stressful.
Correct.
But it's okay. We really
Always up
enjoy
for a
it.
challenge.
Yeah.
आणि हे चॉकलेटचे हात केलेत का त्याचे?
So these are actually not chocolate. They are called flower wires. So they are food safe and okay to use in any kind of food decoration. And then we cover them with these tapes which are also food safe.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
So if we are ever using anything like this in a cake, we'll just let the clients know to not give it to their kids or eat.
Right.
But basically, it's all still safe to touch
Yeah.
to the food directly. It's not harmful in any way.
Correct, correct. And I've seen my kids' birthday parties also. Everybody wants to have the fondant figures first.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
there's always like a rush to have that. They look also very, very attractive.
Kids find it also like
Yeah.
super fascinating.
There are some things that can be resolved with kindness, some others that require laughter. But there are some things which require only cake, and I'm sure Mansi will agree with me. Hello Mansi.
Hi Neha.
माझ्या बरोबर आहेत बेकर, केक आर्टिस्ट, केक डिझायनर, अँड द लिस्ट गोज ऑन अँड ऑन, सायकॉलॉजिस्ट. शी ट्रेन्स व्हेरी वेल. सगळंच करतेस मानसी तू यार.
I try.
ऑलराऊंडर मानसी देशपांडे, फाउंडर ऑफ ट्रिक्स अँड ट्रीट्स. पुणेकर तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी केक्स एन्जॉय केलेत. यू शिप आउटसाइड एज वेल?
We do, but
Wow, so-
yeah. So
या सो म्हणजे खूप लोकांनी तुमचे केक्स
Yeah.
एन्जॉय केलेले आहेत. आणि आज मला ऍक्च्युली मी खूप दिवसांपासून मानसीशी आमचं बोलणं चालू आहे की मला इंटरव्ह्यू घ्यायचा आहे. तिचे केक्स मी बघितले, तिचे केक्स मी खाल्लेत. त्याच्या मागची जी सायकॉलॉजी आहे अँड व्हॉट ऑल गोज इन टू इट ते मला
Right.
तुला विचारायचं आहे.
yes.
सो मानसी, सुरुवात कशी झाली?
So I started baking initially जेव्हा आम्ही पहिल्यांदा मायक्रोवेव्ह घेतली आणि that was kind of a craze that
Correct,
time की
correct.
केक करायचा and
Correct.
everything. So वन्स आय स्टार्टेड बेकिंग मग मला वाटायचं की हे केक्स खूप प्लेन दिसतात आणि मी जर समजा माझ्या फ्रेंडसाठी बनवते किंवा घरी कोणासाठी सो आय जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू मेक इट लुक प्रिटी
Right,
अँड
right.
स्पेशल सो
Right.
आय वुड ट्राय टू गेट सम सिम्पल स्प्रिंकल्स सम आयसिंग डेकोरेशन ऑर वॉट एव्हर आणि मी जेवढं ते करायला लागले I started realizing how enjoyable the whole decorating part was.
Correct,
So I would just sit for hours, look at pictures of cakes, how it is done,
Correct.
watch videos on YouTube and
तेव्हा काय होतं ग Pinterest होतं ना त्यावेळेला
Pinterest and
Okay.
YouTube.
आणि Insta was not that big
Insta
त्यावेळेला.
was not
Yes.
big at all. So Insta and Facebook were not that popular. That kind of came up later, I
Okay.
think.
आणि
पण-
तुझी सुरुवात होती तेव्हा खूप कॉम्पिटिशन काहीच नाही हार्डली काही लोकं
हार्डली
होते जे
एनिथिंग
याच्यात
हार्डली
होते.
एनिथिंग बेकर्सच खूप
नव्हतं,
होम
हो.
बेकर्सच खूप कमी
Correct,
होते
correct,
इट वॉज
correct.
मेनली शॉप्स लाईक मॉन्जिनीज
Right,
बेकर्स
Manjini,
बास्केट
yes. Pastry corner, I remember these 4-5
yeah
places.
absolutely
Correct, correct.
So I think that worked to my advantage because when I started doing these kind of cakes, people were not getting them anywhere else. I got a lot of free,
Free hand to
free
do
hand to try many things. किंवा
Correct.
लोक असेही तेव्हा विचारायचे की मी जर सांगितलं की माझ्या सो अँड सोला काय आवडतं तर विल यू जस्ट मेक इट अँड गिव्ह म्हणजे नाव इट्स अ व्हेरी पीपल वॉन्ट
म्हणतो.
पर्टिक्युलर
Yeah.
थिंग्स दे कम विथ अ पिक्चर
Correct,
आणि
correct,
मला हेच
correct.
हवंय असंच हवंय
राईट राईट
बट तेव्हा असं काहीच नव्हतं सो आय थिंक आय कन्सिडर माय सेल्फ व्हेरी लकी दॅट आय स्टार्टेड ॲट द राईट
या really and it really I think helped you at that time.
इट डिड
ओके इंटरेस्टिंग आणि त्यावेळेला आता आपण किती वर्षापूर्वीचं बोलतोय 12 years.
या 12 years
12
ago.
वर्षापूर्वी
या
आय हर्ड तू सायकॉलॉजी सुद्धा करत होती सो
Yes.
दोन्हीच कसं ठरवलंस काय करायचं
मी BA सायकॉलॉजी करत असताना आय स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग दिस अँड आय स्टार्टेड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग अँड ऑल अँड कोइन्सिडेंटली 12 years ago अराउंड द सेम क्रिसमस टाइम I got my first order for rum balls actually.
Oh.
So sometime around mid-December or something was when I did those rum balls.
balls,
And
okay.
teva it was like 80 rum balls, which felt like a lot.
Right.
And somebody who ate at that party liked it so much that they wanted to order a custom cake for their daughter's first birthday. And I was not at all confident. I was not sure I can, do it or whatever. But I thought like maybe it's a once in a lifetime opportunity and I may not like get somebody who's ready to experiment again. So I thought why not? And so this was when I was doing my second year of BA.
अच्छा ओके
Yeah, and then I went ahead with it. I took that order. I tried out a lot of stuff and there were ready-made material was not available. So right from making fondant and all, I had to do it at home.
ओके
But I enjoyed it so much that I didn't feel the stress of it, or I didn't feel like why am I doing this?
Correct,
Why am I
correct.
spending time on
Correct.
this or anything? And after that order was done, a few people who ate it there liked it, so they
अच्छा,
wanted
and they
to order.
just एकात नाही एक, एकात नाही एक असं सुरू झालं.
हा म्हणजे I never like had to consciously advertise or put up anything anywhere and still it was something which was just going on.
Correct,
So
correct.
in those last 2 years of my BA,
ओके
I got to experiment so much that I kind of figured I'm really enjoying
Yes.
this. And since I was enjoying it more out of the
Correct,
two, I
correct.
really thought why not? Because
Okay.
if I wanted to go back to studying, I could have done it any time and there was nothing to stop me as such. But I think at some point I also realized if I would have done masters, taken up a job or something, then I wouldn't have been able to shift to this.
नो आणि
So-
तोच एक दुसरा प्रश्न मला तुला हाच विचारायचा की त्यावेळेला ना असं होम बेकिंग तेवढं होतं पण
Yeah.
केक डिझायनर किंवा दॅट
Yeah.
वॉज नॉट अ बिग थिंग बॅक
Not
देन
at all.
लोक मग विचारत असतील ना की हे काय काय फुल टाइम करणार आहेस आणि असे
हो,
क्वेश्चन
हो.
खूप यायचे
खूप,
आणि
खूप.
आता म्हणजे पीपल आर एनकरेजिंग लाईक इट्स टू डू
Yeah,
दिस
yeah.
सो हाऊ डिड यू फाईट दॅट मेंटॅलिटी
So I think I was very lucky. I didn't have to fight it
Oh,
because
great.
my mom was very vocal
Yeah.
for me. So before those questions could come to
अच्छा.
me,
आईने
she
backing केलं
already
तिथे.
put them
Nice.
away. And luckily because my closest family was very supportive. I never felt the pressure of दुसरे काय विचार
बरोबर.
करतील की मी घरूनच काम करतेय किंवा आय एम डुईंग समथिंग विच इज अ लिटल ऑफ
Yeah,
बीट
yeah,
or
yeah.
whatever. And at that time, honestly, like my grandparents were aging, so one of my main things was I don't want to leave them alone,
Correct.
and I don't want to not be there for them when
Yeah.
they need it.
How sweet.
So like, yeah, whatever I wanted to do, I
Correct.
knew I wanted to be here with them. And
Okay.
this was not even a compromise, you know. It just worked out so perfectly that I
Wow.
could do what I liked.
Correct.
I could get time with
Right,
them,
right.
and it was like a puzzle
Superb.
fitting in
Wow,
together.
just that jigsaw piece
Yeah,
fit in perfectly.
yeah,
And did you
absolutely.
start working from home or you had a studio? कसं तू सुरुवात कशी केलीस?
So I started working from my bedroom. Luckily,
Okay,
I had
अच्छा.
space in the house to
Yeah.
like have a basic oven and everything. So that part was pretty good because it didn't feel very pressurizing to get a new place right away when you're just starting and all. Because I did that, I think in many ways I learned to manage even in a smaller space. So doing things more efficiently, how I should store what and where
Right.
and all. And eventually when I did get a bigger, better space, I think that really helped, because otherwise when you have a lot of space, you would like just
Yeah.
have everything
So तुला
spread
सवय
out.
छोट्यामध्ये
आणि-
काम करण्याची होती.
हा
त्याच्यामुळे सोपं झालं.
या बेटर देन हॅव्हिंग अ मेस,
Yeah.
लहान जागेत
Correct,
काम
correct, correct.
करणं.
आणि तू चॅलेंज तुझा त्याच्यात तू ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी शोधलीस आणि आय थिंक इट वॉज अ ग्रेट विन
टोटली.
ओके, गुड गुड, नाईस. आणि किती तुझा आता वर्क डे सपोज आपण बघितला आताच्या टाइमला, सो हाऊ डज युअर डे स्टार्ट आणि हाऊ डज इट लुक लाईक? कसा असतो तुझा?
Typically, I start my work somewhere around 6:30 in the morning,
Oh.
because a lot of things or cakes have to be done fresh. So if it's a morning pickup, I cannot do things the previous
Correct.
day, store it,
Yeah.
and just like give it the next
Yeah,
morning or whatever. So generally that's the time I start. I aim to get done and be like
Yeah.
free by 4.
Oh,
It doesn't
wow. So
always
whole
happen.
day you're like
Yeah,
busy
yeah.
working on it.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
आणि it's like a lot of juggling between multiple things, a lot of multitasking. Usually, initially in the morning, I try to sit down and plan out the day first. Because if I don't have a proper plan of what I'm going to
Yeah.
do, it just becomes a huge mess.
Correct.
And I think that also I've learned through experience. Like when I started working, I would just hop into the work because there's a lot of enthusiasm. आणि असं वाटायचं की मी आत्ता स्टार्ट केलं तर कधी होईल माझं मला माहित
बरोबर.
नाही, बिकॉज तेव्हा अंदाज पण
Correct,
नव्हता.
correct.
पण विथ टाइम आय गॉट एन आयडिया ऑफ हाऊ मच टाइम इज
Correct.
रिअली
कुठला केक,
रिक्वायर्ड.
कुठली थीम, त्याप्रमाणे आता तू ठरवू शकतेस.
Yeah, it's easier to juggle between things. Or now slowly, I'm not very proud of this, but it's very hard for me to let go of work and let others do it.
I'm sure, yeah.
But I'm learning to
Correct.
do that, because otherwise
Like your first child, no? म्हणजे
Yeah,
सगळं
yeah.
आपणच करायचं आणि
हो.
नंतर
आणि again, I'm not very proud of it, but I get very uncomfortable when I see people not doing things the way I would do them. But like I realize it's also important to accept that everyone has their own way
Correct,
of
correct.
आणि
Okay.
if the output is good and it's what you want, then it's okay. The methods can be different.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. आणि तुझा सगळ्यात चॅलेंजिंग केक कुठला होता टिल डेट? यू डन लाईक थाउजंड्स ऑफ केक्स.
Till date, I think was a Leaning Tower of Pisa cake,
Oh,
because it was supposed to be like the one big cake at the bottom, which is like that main part of the tower.
Right.
And the leaning part was supposed to have 8 separate cakes in different flavors, and to keep them at that leaning
Yeah,
angle and
yeah.
everything was it was a very scary thought, first of all.
Yeah.
Right from making the structure, baking the cakes and all, it was very very stressful, because I kept thinking ki हे नाही झालं, किंवा
बरोबर.
if at some point my measurement of the angles and all goes wrong,
सगळं इंजिनिअरिंग, आर्किटेक्चर
yeah,
सगळं
it's
आलं
all
त्याच्यात
going to
ना?
go
Yeah.
wrong. And you don't have much scope to fix things at a
Right.
venue. Once you're there, you kind of have to go ahead with whatever is there. And so I had everything prepared, done and all. And then when we went to the venue, the actual party was happening on the terrace,
Okay.
and then they told us you assemble it on the first floor or something, आणि मग आम्ही ट्रॉलीने नेऊ. So that kind of made me a little more scared of the whole
Correct,
thing
correct.
because
कारण तो केक आता दुसऱ्यांच्या हातात जाऊन मग तो ट्रॉलीनी वरती जाणार होता.
आणि they were very cool about
Okay,
it,
okay.
and I was nervous, but then I knew I have to do it also, and luckily everything turned out fine.
How nice.
But yeah, that was definitely my like the
Most
toughest
challenging and the
yeah.
toughest. कारण आताच्या वेदर मध्ये आपण मगाशी बोलत होतो की कधी कधी फॉन्डंट वितळतं किंवा
हो.
समर असला तर अजून जास्त चॅलेंज येतो. सो डेली बेसिसवर काय ते 3-4 चॅलेंजेस जे रेग्युलर बेसिसवर तुला येतात?
I think it's like the challenges are in everything. Like
Yeah.
when you're baking, right from that, depending on the temperature and weather and everything, it can affect how your cake turns
Yeah.
out. Like if it's going to be dry, moist,
Correct, correct.
etc. So if the weather is drier or hotter, you need to increase the quantity of certain ingredients, or then the
Okay.
frostings.
Correct, correct.
Some frostings are very difficult to work with in summers. Some frostings are difficult to work with in winter and monsoon. So tackling those depending
Yeah.
on the seasonal changes.
Correct.
And I think when I started out, I know it's not a huge difference, but we still had proper seasons.
Yeah.
Now it
आता
just
सगळे seasons
हाँ,
merge झालेत
it
एकमेकांमध्ये.
rains at
Yeah, at
any
any
time.
time. True.
It's sunny at
Yes.
any time in the day.
So you have
So
to be prepared for all 3 weathers at all times.
Totally.
So it becomes more challenging
Oh
for
yeah.
you also.
So I've literally had an experience where when I used to work from my house, मी एक केक टेबलवर ठेवलेला आणि थोडंसं ऊन येत
बरं,
होतं.
बरं.
And then I went to the other room, and by the time I came back in about half an hour, it was super sunny. So just that back of the cake had started melting.
Oh my God.
And
प्रत्येक केक मधून काहीतरी शिकायला मिळतंय.
initial days
Yeah.
you don't anticipate
Correct,
these
correct,
kind
correct.
of things. So and this is with the AC being on, so
Yeah.
the room is cool, but there's so much sunlight falling onto it that it's still melting.
Wow, okay. That's interesting and crazy at the same
Yeah.
time. आणि तू म्हणजे दिवसाला कमीत कमी 16 ऑर्डर्स वगैरे अशा असतात तुझ्या ऑन एन ऍव्हरेज?
So this is more of
Yeah.
a weekend thing. Weekdays it's generally around 4 to 5 or 5 to 6.
ओके.
But even on weekends, if there is a bigger cake or something that we have to, like it's really big, and then we have to go set it up somewhere and all, then we kind of limit the orders depending on what works in that time frame. Because if we, I mean, आम्ही प्रत्येक ऑर्डर घेतली till the very last minute, तर we won't be able to give enough time to the detailing.
करेक्ट. And detail, you're very big on detailing also,
Yeah,
I've seen.
and I think that's the whole reason that people come to
Yeah,
us,
yeah.
because if they just wanted a simple cake, they
Correct,
could
correct.
get it anywhere else.
राईट. सो तुझ्या केक्स मध्ये आपण आता तो स्नोमॅन जो बनवला
Yeah.
त्याच्यात स्ट्रक्चर सगळं बनवलंस, प्रपोर्शन्स, पेंटिंग,
Right.
यु नो द मटेरियल. आता तू लिनिंग कारचं म्हणली, सो इंजिनिअरिंग, आर्किटेक्चर,
Absolutely.
सायकॉलॉजी बिहाइंड व्हॉट द क्लायंट वॉन्ट्स.
Yeah.
किती सगळे प्रोफेशन्स एकामध्ये तू करतेस.
Yes.
लाईक
Yeah,
on all
things you
fronts.
don't even
Yeah,
imagine, or you don't consciously learn,
It's-
but then you kind of
म्हणजे
figure it out
अपकमिंग आता
on the
लोकांना या
go.
प्रोफेशन मध्ये जायचंय, त्यांना वाटतं, हा केकच तर आहे.
Exactly.
एवढं काय त्याच्यात.
Exactly.
इव्हन जे लोक ऑर्डर देतात
हो.
की प्राइस पॉइंट असतो एखाद्या केकचा,
Yeah, yeah.
एवढं काय केकच तर आहे. So असे प्रश्न
हा.
तुला विचारले जातात का?
खूप
अच्छा.
it's something we tackle almost every
Every
day,
day,
की why this price, or you know, हा केक दिसतोय एवढाच,
तेच, एवढूसा
मग
cake
why
आहे
am
पण
I
हा.
paying so much for it? But there's this whole other aspect
Yes.
of what all you put into it. Like you said, generally it starts with the designing. Once the designing is done, we share it with the client. मग त्यांना changes हवे असतील तर त्याच्यात there's a lot of back and
बरोबर
forth,
आहे,
because everyone's expectations
Yeah,
are
yeah.
different.
So then you're coming on the same page. मग
Yeah.
सुरू होते प्रोसेस.
मग like if it needs, so now for the snowman
Yeah.
was something I could do, but then there are times we have to get structures actually made. So the whole process म्हणजे planning, getting it outsourced and then made, and then ensuring that it is stable enough to hold the cake or the
Correct.
weight of all the actual cake and all. That is a very important part. मग the actual baking, ingredients, selling.
खूप मेहनत आहे,
Yeah.
त्याचे पैसे असतात ते, असं नाही की एवढा
Yeah.
छोटा केक आहे किंवा इतका मोठा केक आहे
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay.
And in a way, like if you know, like any other business, if you want to sustain, other than covering up for these expenses, you have to make some profit.
Right,
म्हणजे
right,
it
absolutely.
can't
Because
be,
it is your business, a full-time
Yeah,
business.
Exactly. It cannot end that okay मी हा एवढा एक्सपेन्स केलं, माय चार्ज दॅट मच अँड
बरोबर, झालं.
यु नो इट्स डन, असं नाही होऊ शकत.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. आणि आय थिंक या प्रोफेशन मध्ये तुझं केक्स यू पुट युअर 100% ऑल द टाइम. इट्स नॉट लाईक
Absolutely.
पीपल आर वर्किंग फॉर यू अँड तू मस्त चिल करते, असं
Not
होत
at
नाही.
all, not at all.
So
हा,
ती
it's
सुद्धा
not
मेहनत आहे,
outsourced
it's not
work.
outsourced.
Yeah.
That becomes easier then.
That
Your
becomes
every
easier.
cake requires your efforts.
Yeah, definitely.
Correct, correct.
आणि sometimes the you know, like even if it is a 2 kg cake or a 3 kg cake, we spend 7-8 hours on doing details for it. So somewhere the time we spend has to feel justified
Yes,
enough even
true.
for us, because
Correct.
otherwise why would I do it?
बरोबर आहे.
So
So हा क्वेश्चन म्हणून मला तुला
Yeah.
अगदी विचारायचा होता की आणि तुझे खूप फ्लेवर्स एकदम पॉप्युलर आहेत.
हो.
सो व्हॉट डू यू डू फॉर फ्लेवर डेव्हलपमेंट, लाईक ट्राईंग न्यू फ्लेवर्स, कसे बनवतेस तू ते?
So basically, what we try to do is when we have something baked, when there's excess, or you make a cake, you have to chop off the top so that it becomes like a flat layer. So मग वरचा जो तो पार्ट राहतो,
Okay.
that's kind of an extra.
राईट.
मग if we can think of some combinations, we'll try and make it out of that. आणि मग generally we are the first ones to try,
Oh,
then
nice.
friends, family, they get
Yeah.
to try.
ओके.
So it's like we are trying, but others are also tasting it,
So
and
you get their feedback
Yeah,
also.
because I think it's not enough that we like it.
Yeah.
Lot
Okay.
of others also need to
करेक्ट.
like.
दॅट्स हाऊ तू फ्लेवर सगळे वेगवेगळे बनवतेस.
Yeah.
आणि वेस्टेज काय प्रमाणात होतं एव्हरीडे बेसिसवर केक मध्ये?
Not much, thankfully, because we make everything on order. So
Okay.
there's nothing which is like made and kept, and then you know, say आज नाही कोणी हा फ्लेवर
बरोबर.
ऑर्डर केला तर मग 2 दिवसांनी आय एम थ्रोईंग इट आउट.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
आणि लकीली सो वी स्टॉक अप ऑन रॉ मटेरियल्स, वी हॅव अन आयडिया ऑफ हाऊ मच वी आर गोइंग टू नीड फॉर से द नेक्स्ट मंथ और 2 months एक्सेट्रा. आणि stocking up on raw materials is not difficult.
Yeah.
So that part is fine, and then we just bake or we make frostings as needed. So like literally
Okay.
cream and all also.
बरं.
We keep the cream with us, but we won't thaw the pack till we know we have to use it. Because
सो नाउ यू लाईक काहीच वेस्टेज असं होत
हां.
नाही त्यामुळे.
पूर्वी ट्रायल्स मध्ये खूप व्हायचं, बिकॉज थिंग्स वुड नॉट टर्न आउट ॲज
Correct,
वी
correct,
वॉन्टेड, अँड देन
Right.
म्हणजे if it's just not nice, what do you
Yeah,
do
yeah,
with
yeah,
it?
of course.
You have to throw it away, which
Correct.
is a sad part, but I
बरोबर.
think if you're
It's a part and parcel of
it's a
growing,
part
I
and
think.
parcel.
सगळ्या ह्याच्यात होतं असं.
Yeah.
आणि तुला ह्या बिझनेस मध्ये काय गोष्टी अशा खूप एक्साइट करतात? व्हॉट इज इट दॅट यू रिअली लुक फॉरवर्ड टू? यू आर डुइंग इट सिन्स 12 years. So
Yeah.
काहीतरी असेल ना असं जे
So of late, म्हणजे
हाँ,
over
हाँ.
the last 2 years or so, there's this huge trend of using a lot of movement or
Yeah.
any special effects in cakes.
राईट.
So I think that's one of the most exciting parts
Yeah.
for me, because a regular cake, regular figurines and all is like, that's very common. That's something that everyone does
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
But when you have some element in the cake which makes it kind of, which makes the cake come to life.
Yeah, and the client's reactions like, oh wow.
Yeah,
like,
that is like, I mean, I totally
Priceless.
look forward to
correct,
that.
correct.
And generally, I mean, everything that we do is equally special, but when it's for kids and when they're so happy
Oh, of
seeing
course,
it,
yeah.
it feels very
त्यांना
nice.
बोट घालायचं असतं असं केक मध्ये.
हो,
ऑल द
हो.
किड्स विल रॅली अराउंड द केक, दे विल वॉन्ट
Yeah.
टू. I know that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
म्हणजे if there are like candies and all, they'll start picking
Picking
it
it.
out before the
So,
cake is
ती
cut.
पावती असते की आपलं काम
हो.
इतकं आवडतंय मुलांना.
खरंय,
And they give
खरंय.
their review like that. You
Yeah.
have seen on their face
So
only.
that time it somehow doesn't matter की आता माझा केक मला जसा एनविजन्ड होता
Yes.
तसा दिसतोय की नाही, because
Correct.
somebody is enjoying it,
बरोबर.
and that's the main point of it.
Correct.
So म्हणजे as much as the look of it is
Yeah.
important, if people don't enjoy it,
Correct,
it's not
correct.
going to hold that value.
Oh,
So
nice. Yeah.
yeah.
सुपर मानसी, तू खूप गोष्टींवरती यू थ्रो लाईट अपॉन लाईक सो मेनी थिंग्स
Yeah.
आणि त्याची गरज होती आज, कारण लोकांना वाटतं खूप इझी आहे,
या
एवढंच तर आहे असं, आणि त्याच्यामुळे तू सगळ्या गोष्टी सांगितल्यास. एनिथिंग एल्स दॅट यू वुड लाईक टू टेल अस?
I think, because these kind of cakes are becoming so popular, somewhere we should stop comparing these to
Yeah,
a
regular,
regular
yeah.
non-customized cakes. They have their own charm, they are
Barabar.
really nice in their own way. And personally, I am a huge fan of all these chains because मी लहानपणापासून
आपण तेच खाल्लंय लहानपणी.
I've been eating at Monjini's Baker's
Correct,
Basket,
correct,
everything. Like, I love it so
Right,
much.
right.
But if you're getting something which is customized, I think as a client or whatever, you should show some amount of respect to the person you're getting it from. And I'm not just saying this for me,
Yeah.
but so many other bakers or artists
Yeah,
in any
yeah.
form, because I think they don't get the respect they deserve. It's treated as कोणतरी घरी बसून करतंय. Nowadays, luckily, there are guys also who do a lot of these
Yes.
things. So that stereotype is
Correct.
going away. But whether it's a guy, girl,
It doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter. Yeah, like, I think we just have to be open and I think respectful enough.
Yes.
So the other person feels interested enough to
कारण ते काम
put in
एवढं
all their
exactly.
heart and soul.
Right, right. Blood, sweat, tears, heart, soul, everything, and much
Everything.
more. I think you put it.
True. And it's not just mentally draining,
Yeah.
it's very physically draining also. So you can't just say that because I'm a software engineer and I sit at home on the laptop, I am tired. You have to understand that every person who's providing something to you is tired.
Yeah.
But that cannot be your excuse to treat an artist or any profession with a very derogatory kind of a tone.
Right.
So I think that also matters a lot.
Correct. Yes. So I think we have pretty much covered all the topics. एकच
Yeah.
प्रश्न राहायला विचारायचा,
Sure.
म्हणजे किती दिवस आधी ऑर्डर केली तर everything goes on smoothly?
So when I started, I always used to tell people 2 weeks is
Yeah.
the ideal time, and that is still the ideal
Correct.
time, or a little more, because we get some fabulous materials, elements, etc.
Yeah.
But they're not all available in the city.
Correct.
So this kind of gives you the time frame to order them, get them.
You get the
आता-
best cake then when they give you time.
Yeah,
So correct.
absolutely. Like there are these cakes we do now which have this little magnet that levitates on top of the cake.
Okay.
But ते कुठूनही ऑर्डर केलं तरी it takes around a week. So if you're placing the order at say a 3 or 4 day notice,
yeah.
I may not always have it
Get
in
it.
stock.
Correct.
They're not always available
Yes.
because they're so popular
Popular,
and
right,
different. So in a way, to ensure that you can get what you want, to have the whole feel and not
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
like I'm compromising on this
Correct,
cake,
correct.
because that also kind of gives the client a very nice experience. If they feel ki हे मला हवं होतं पण नाही मिळालं, so I'm compromising,
Yeah.
they'll be bitter about
Correct.
it.
So overall experience
So-
enhance करण्यासाठी it's better if
Yeah.
they place an order 2 weeks
2
in
weeks
advance.
in advance.
Okay,
We
great.
do cakes with a shorter notice
Yeah.
also now, because it's not practical to just say no to everyone.
Yeah.
पण मग
If you can
त्याच्यात-
accommodate तर तू नक्कीच
Yeah.
करतेस ते cakes.
त्याच्यात फक्त there can be a bit of like
Yeah.
this is possible, this is not
Correct,
possible
correct.
kind of a
So तो
thing.
mindset ठेवूनच I think त्यांनी approach
Yeah,
केलं तर it's better.
it's better.
Lovely.
Absolutely.
Great, Mansi. Thank you so much for giving us your
Thank
time and
you.
talking to us. Thank you.